So this fig is a tree that I got at Lowe's earlier this year, and I left it in a pot that it came with from Lowe's for probably about a month. Then I up-potted it into a 3-gallon pot, and that's where it is now. It set quite a few figs, and this is the first one that ripened. It's a very nice fig. It's 50 grams, and let's see what it tastes like. Let's cut it open and see what it looks like first. Ooh, that looks nice. Yeah, look at that. So it doesn't have that large an eye, which is nice. Yeah, I like that. Let's give it a taste, see what it tastes like. This has kind of a citrusy taste. Rather than being real sweet and berry, this is more of a citrusy taste. Like I said, it's a Desert King, and first time I've had one, and it's delicious. So again, we'll prune it a little bit this year, get the tree to look the way I want it to look, and help it get a little stronger. And hopefully next year we'll get some more figs, and they'll be just as good or even better. So thanks again for watching. If you have any comments or questions, just write them down below. And if you like my channel, please consider subscribing. And I'll see you next time. Thank you.